Taga-Pavia, ma'am. But before, hindi pa ako nag-asawa ng Ilongga sa Manila, Makati.
Ay, okay. So you fell in love with an Ilongga?
Yes, ma'am.
Good choice. Asan si ma'am? Ma'am, thank you so much for representing our province. Very good. You did a job well done. Sir, how was the support of Synergy with you as a seafarer?
Okay, based on my own experience, ma'am, when it comes to support, there are free trainings, not just for officers but also for ratings, for
baka tatlo pa, sir.
knowledge development. Also, it's really important na they give premium it's training, lalo pa there are many accidents na nangyayari on board. So, yun na nga, ma'am, na even though marami training, there's still accidents na nangyayari. If you're going to watch the news, at this past few weeks, maraming maritime accidents na nangyayari. Other support, ma'am, na I can attest is career development, ma'am. They give opportunity to ratings na ma-promote. So, if you've been to two contracts, every two contracts, merong, you can, after two contracts, you can, pwede ka magpa-assess, and then, yun, there's a chance na ma-promote ka. So, ayun, malaking help yun, ma'am. Siyempre, for my family. That's siyempre, sino ba naman the reason why nagbabago kami is of course to support our family. So, malaking help na they give opportunity to rate to everyone. So, yun na. Thank you, Synergy.
Thank you very